Once you have your strawberry shortcake rolls in your 13x9 pan, you're gonna wanna grab some cheesecake no-bake filling. This stuff is so good, you guys. If you haven't tried it, you're missing out.
Wait, seriously, it's no bake?
No bake, yep. It's already made for you. You can find it at Walmart, Walmart Marketplace. That's the only two places I found it, but who doesn't have a Walmart near them, right? Ooh, it smells so good. This is gonna be an easy and delicious no-bake dessert. I love my no-bake desserts for those times I'm in a time crunch and I don't wanna spend hours in the kitchen with the oven on. This is great for spring, summer, Easter, however, whenever you wanna make it.
It smells delicious. You just used the whole thing.
Yeah, the whole carton of our no-bake cheesecake. You want a nice layer to cover those shortcake rolls. Beautiful. All right, now, of course, cheesecake would not be complete without graham crackers. Go ahead and grab your graham crackers and just place them right on top of that cheesecake, just like this. No, I love this dessert, you guys. I'm so excited already. Okay, that looks perfect, huh?
It looks amazing.
All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some extra creamy Cool Whip.
You defrosted that, right?
Yep, of course. You always need to defrost your Cool Whip. It just makes it so much easier for your cooking. Now, before we put this on top of our dessert, I'm actually gonna grab some instant strawberry jello, and we're gonna mix that in with our Cool Whip.
Just right in the container right there, huh?
Yeah, why get another dish?
That's awesome.
Just fold it in. Now we're gonna go ahead and put that right on top of those graham crackers. So now we have our Little Debbie shortcake rolls, we have the no-bake cheesecake, our graham crackers, and then strawberry Cool Whip. Spread that out like we did with the cheesecake. Ooh, this is gonna be so good.
Wow, it's like such a great pink color.
Right? So pretty.
And the aroma is outrageous.
And you can do that with any like pudding, any jello flavor you want, but obviously because this is strawberry, we did the strawberry jello. Now, of course, we gotta add some fresh strawberries, because what is a strawberry shortcake without some fresh strawberries? And we're just gonna place these quickly on top of our no-bake dessert. This looks so good already. Few strawberries on there. Perfect. All right, this is about to go in the fridge, but before we pop it in the fridge, let's go ahead and look at that bottom row of those
you can see
shortcake Little Debbies.
Wow.
Okay, so this is gonna go in the fridge for just an hour, and then it's gonna be ready to eat. All right, this is ready. I need to have some of this right now.
It looks delicious.
Right? I'm gonna cut right into, oh, you hear that graham cracker?
Yeah.
Okay, let's grab this out. Oh yeah, that looks beautiful.
Those layers.
That looks so good. Remember, we have the cheesecake, the graham crackers. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Let me know how it is. I want some.
Okay.
It's good, huh? It looks
I'm
good.
gonna eat this whole pan.